Just got done. Outside cocaine. We just got the fucking, we got the hookup. Damn. Alright, bet. Let's go home and install this. Not yelling out, gang gang. Okay, here we are. Thank you to Hard Tuned and Hal. Boys hooked me up, bro. They hooked this thing up. We gonna have underglow and interior glow by tonight. Hopefully. I'm a little bit special. I don't actually know if I'm capable of doing this though, but yeah, let's do it. See, the thing is, these are broken. Just have to lower it really fucking gently. Oh god. Okay. That's not technically a jacking spot. Yeah, I crunched it alright, but there's really nothing else I can really do. Alright, so we have pretty much literally everything included. Every single option is included with this. I might read the instructions for this one. I have to. Let me cut a little slit in.
Pliers.
You got the thing out, bro. You guys probably seeing nothing, bro. It's close. There's one. Keep kind of pushing it through. Yep. Okay. I'm not sure where we want to mount it, but this one can be the Bluetooth motor that can just go underneath this seat. It doesn't need to be bolted in or anything, I don't care. You know what, anyone watching this, man, ignore this stuff. Alright, I don't do dodgy shit often. But right now, I want underglow. I'll do whatever the fuck I need to do. I guess it's gonna have to go under there. Okay, that works. It's hidden. It won't bother us. Now this one need to be mounted all the way over there. Way over there. Okay, now I don't know about this spot. I think I like it. I don't know if y'all can see, but right there, I was thinking I could go right here, but I don't know. I think I like it right on there next to my dimmer, which kind of makes a lot of sense as well. Kind of fuck with that location. Don't sit in a car that's on jack stands as well, by the way, everybody. Do not recommend this. This is genuinely sketchy. I don't think mounting anything will be difficult. I hope they never fall. They do sell the like parts for it, which is sick. They sell each individual part, so it's all replaceable and fixable and shit. Alright, I've cleaned that. This can now go on. Okay, Hodge, I don't know about this plug. This plug kind of sucks. I know what I did wrong. This is for the other one.
Bruh.
God damn it.
Whoa, that's so cool.
Good run. No, this is not possible. Because it's the cheapest fucking drill. You can physically buy cheapest parts.
I'm like, what do you say fuck me for?
Oh, fuck. No, it's not sticking at all. Like there's no... Oh, oh. Oh, that was not worth it.
Well, it's on.
Oh.
It doesn't matter how badly we put it on there, it looks fucking good as.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, hell yeah. Living that Paul Walker life. Oh, hell yeah.
The rear's a little bit, you know, you can see it. I think we'll fix it tomorrow. I might record, I don't know. But you gotta kind of go a bit far to see it. Oh, it's pretty ugly. But everything else is perfect. This is the finished product right here. It's looking good. You can't really see it. It might be night time. I don't know, bro. It took really long. It was genuinely easy to set up. I think we're just a little bit... We're not easy to set up, if you know what I mean. But it looks fucking great. I'll show you some better footage right now.
I get a feeling there's gonna be a riot.
I don't read the newspapers because they all have ugly prints.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you